Hello and welcome to this Axway SecureTransport how-to video. My name is Plamen and today I'm going to show you how you can save your file tracking searches and access them with a single click. Let's go! To play with the new feature, you have to be on the latest version of SecureTransport, which is from May 2025. Go to the file tracking beta page, and here you can see, besides all the quick filters, a nice toggle from basic to advanced, where in the advanced you have an autocomplete component. And in addition to that, you can use this save this search and filters. But how does it work? For example, I'm interested into all the transfers of the account John. And here I can come and save this search and say, oh, John. Save and forget. Then I can come back, say, okay, give me from the last 5 minutes. Oh no, I wasn't supposed to do that, so give me back my transfer, my search. So click here and you have direct access with one click to your saved search. But where is this search actually saved? You can find it when you inspect. So this is from, and here from the application you have under the indexed DB a key value pairs, and if we refresh this one, it will show that we have one element inside which is related to O John. And the moment we create another one, so let's say that we are interested into the direction, so the direction could be inbound, and enter. Now we can save that one as well and call it John inbound. Save, refresh, and now we have two elements here. But what will happen if another account uses the same browser? Let's try that. I have for the demo today, of course, a demo account, file tracking, and here's what you would expect is no access to that list of filters, to the list of saved searches from the admin. And if we come back here and refresh, of course they are still accessible, they are here in the browser's cache, but they are named under the account admin. So when the account with that username logs in, he'll have access to all those searches. That was all for today's SecureTransport how-to video. See you in our next how-to or what's new video. Bye bye.